Watch it out mga etikels. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna see how English pa paano gumagana ang isang ISU based network made with Cisco na may 16 switch, 16 VLANs,
7.
tigda dalawang PC kada VLANs,
7.
and one multi-layer switch.
Malat yan.
Ano nga bang meron? Bakit may color coding tayong ginawa? So, for Edu, we have yellow. What?
Sarili laban sa sarili.
I'm having a stroke. For CBM, we have yellow. For Edu, we have blue. So, CBM to CBM communication is allowed. And CBM to admin, of course, is allowed. Edu to Edu to admin is allowed. And later on the video, there is the food court, food lab, and hostel, which then they can communicate to each other and communicate to the admin. You sound like a robot. Are you a robot? Sa point na to ng buhay ko, hindi ko na alam ang ginagawa ko, kaya nag-random testing na lang ako, guys. Random clicking ng ano, yan. So yan, mag-scroll na yan. Makikita nyo na yung food court, food lab, hostel in 3, 2, 1, shabaw, malalalala. So ayan no, back to English. This is what I'm talking about, that we have color coding and they're all able to talk to each other, like all inside that color coding are able to talk to each other and communicate to the admin, right? English yun, galing mo talaga, grabe. Of course you get the idea, like CBM to CBM to admin, eduk to admin, food court, food lab, hostel to admin. Of course, right? That's the concept of this project. I used what do you call this again? Access list, boy. Access list, or parang konya naman. Yeah, access list sa pag-setup para ma-setup natin na ganun siya gagana. Like only those selected VLANs, like they can communicate, like usap-usap sila, but they're still isolated. I mean, CBM to CBM, right? But CBM cannot do eduk, right? Then, of course, library kunwari, tapos SAS, hindi sila pwede. Pero SAS to admin pwede siya. Tapos IT to admin pwede siya. Ganun lang. Basic lang po. Okay. Sabi ko nyo, hindi ba ding parang ewan eh. 난 니꺼 새끼손가락 걸고 꼭 약속해줘요. 절대 나 혼자 내버려 두지 않기로. 절대 나